So what do you do in the raw prototyping, Krrish?
In our raw prototyping, we come to this lab, ceramic studio, and do a raw prototyping here. Mud prototype or raw prototype.
Okay.
And after here, we'll go to the 3D printing lab,
Okay. So where is the 3D printing lab?
the next room.
Okay. Can you walk us through that one?
This is the 3D printing lab.
Okay. So what do you do here?
Take the mud prototype here and 3D print scan it.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see that there are some stuff that
Okay.
they printed.
Oh, okay.
And those all are 3D printers.
So you're going to create your the school bot's body here?
Yes, the
Nice.
the
Seems
body
interesting.
here. And in the next room, we'll have all the metal and the circuits.
Mm-hmm. Can you show us that?
Yeah,
This is interesting, Krrish.
yeah.
So
Here,
what is this lab? It says electronics and testing lab.
electronics and testing lab.
Okay.
We'll integrate all the electronics in this lab. And after, we'll test everything in this lab.
Oh, is the sensors lab?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's fine. I can. What do you do in the sensors lab?
The sensors lab, we'll take all the electronics and in the bot.
Okay,
As you can see, there's some electronics.
Hmm.
And there's some here too. Okay, these are
Oh, there's a few
this one, the
right.
stop rack.
Hmm.
And
Interesting. So this is a laser cut and engraving lab. So do you use this lab also, or?
maximum chances we don't use it,
Hmm.
but for engraving we'll use this lab.
Oh, nice, good.
So down there you can see there's wood. There's the wood lab.
Oh, okay.
In the wood lab, we'll first take the wood
Hmm.
as a sample and use the wood to
Hmm.
make the belly button.
Okay.
Small prototype.
Mm-hmm.
After that, if it's good, we'll come as usual to the ceramic studio
Hmm.
and we'll print it. We'll do the mud prototyping in the ceramic studio.
Okay, so before the mud prototyping, you'll also go with the wood prototyping, huh?
Yeah. First,
Oh, it's interesting.
if wood prototyping means we can do it small.
Ah.
If we do it small and it's a hit, and we can do it with the mud
Okay, nice.
or anything, clay.
Wonderful. Okay, now can you explain about your, the bot as such?
Bot, okay. The bot is used in rural and remote areas.
Mm-hmm.
We call it as the rural and remote transformer.
Oh, wow. Rural and remote transformer.
Yeah,
Awesome. Okay. Is she your teammate?
yeah. She's my
Hey,
teammate.
hello.
Hi.
Okay, please go ahead. So, why do you call it as a rural and remote transformer?
Because the bot is usually used in rural and remote areas.
Okay. For what?
For if I can tell you, its design.
Okay, sure, please.
Its design is in rural and remote areas.
Mm-hmm.
The teachers are not properly trained and schools are like too far for students.
Mm-hmm.
For
You
10,
mean at the village level?
yeah.
Oh, okay. Like forest
10
areas.
10, 15 villages have one school,
Mm.
and that's the issue. They have to travel far
Okay.
distances to attend the daily school.
Okay.
So that's why we build a small infrastructure or something.
Mm.
The school bot will do its work there.
Nice. Okay, so how will the school bot, once you finish and deploy it there, how do you think on a day-to-day basis your school bot will help the students or teachers or whoever that you are keeping in mind and creating it?
For example, I'm the rural teacher and the school bot is right in front of me,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't know what lecture to teach today, or I don't know the syllabus properly.
Oh, you're not given the syllabus, teacher?
Yeah.
Okay.
The school bot will help me take the lectures
Mm-hmm.
and the syllabus and complete the syllabus.
Okay, so you are going to pre-package everything into that.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So it's going to help teachers.
Yeah.
How is it going to help the students?
It will help the students by helping them take lectures if the teacher is not
Mhm.
coming that day. It will take the lectures and it will, like for example, in some schools, in cities, city schools, there will be projectors on the roof.
Hmm.
Project on the wall.
Oh, wow.
So that like that we integrate a projector into the school board.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Uh,
How will it pull the lectures? Do you already have all those lectures and everything?
Yes, we already have that in.
Have you created or how are you getting them?
We already have those lectures in
Okay. Yeah.
6D school, 6dschool.com.
Oh, 6dschool.com already has all
Yeah.
those lectures. So are you going
It
to...
will have
Hmm.
25,000 plus lectures and 60,000 plus quizzes.
Hmm. Wow.
If you want to access in the internet, you can access by 6dschool.com.
Okay.
And we'll integrate that into the school bot and enable all the stuff in it.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Good.
So that's the work we'll be doing.
Oh, nice. Good. I'm very impressed with your project. Can you quickly explain? I don't want details, but what are the 6Ds? What is 6D thinking?
6Ds are their problem-solving frameworks. So the 6Ds are D1 discover, D2 define, D3 design, D4 derive, D5 develop, D6 deliver.
Okay.
And the 3 E's are from the threshold. The 3 E's are elements, experience, emotion.
Oh, okay. So your school board is an experience. Can I understand like that?
Yeah.
And it gives out happy emotions.
Yes. It gives us exciting emotions.
Okay.
Happy emotions.
And oh, nice. That is interesting framework. So you use this
Yeah.
framework and you create this bot.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Anjali. Hello. So how excited are you about your school bot?
More than good.
More and more? Oh, nice. Good. How old are you?
8 years old.
Oh, you just turned 8?
Yeah.
So there you go. So you got into the PUPS.
Yeah.
What is PUPS program?
PUPS is pre-university problem solving.
You don't have a degree, right? Can you solve problems?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But you have not learned all those things, right? You haven't gone to university.
With the help of 6D, right? 6Ds
Okay.
and 3Es, right?
Okay. So 6D thinking is helping you solve the
Yeah.
problems.
Without
Okay.
the 6Ds and the 3Es, there won't be PUPS, school bot. There will be nothing. The PUPS program is we do problem solving through PUPS.
Oh, okay.
We
Problem
learn
solving.
problem solving in PUPS.
Okay.
To create the school bot, we have to discover
Okay.
the problem
Okay.
and then define it.
Oh, okay.
What problems are there? Then design what the solution is. To find the solution, we need to design the solution.
Okay.
After designing from D4, D5, D6, will be the bot.
Okay. When you perform.
We'll integrate the bot and enable it and deliver it to the schools.
Wonderful. So by when can I expect your school bot?
27.
2027, huh? 2 more years?
Yeah,
Wow.
maximum 2027 June.
So what all are you learning through this problem solving? What are you learning? Is it helping you with your mathematics? It
Yes,
is helping you.
of course.
How?
Yes,
Can you
of
explain just in your words?
Join us. Go to www.6dvarsity.com and if you slide down, the PUPS picture will automatically appear on your screen and register right away. Thank you.